I can't think of a time when I wasn't moving my body through space. My dad had me on skis at 2 years old.
I was in about 7th grade, and that's where I first did my first downhill experience, and it blew me away. I loved it.
Growing up, we did everything. I raced on the Alpine team, learned how to snowboard and cross-country ski.
I love sliding on snow, whether it's a kitchen tray or it's a snowboard or skis. Anything I can get my hands on, I love sliding on snow.
I love the movement, I love the freedom, I love the camaraderie.
My first ski experience was with 3 or 4 friends. And we walked up to the top of the hill. They said, make a snowplow, and they let me go.
Snow sports has really allowed me to have an adventurous lifestyle. It's given me the opportunity to travel the world.
It's all I know. It's all I've ever known.